Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to make a massage tool out of a carrot. And this might be a really good idea for somebody that doesn't have any woodworking skills or doesn't have money to buy tools from me or somebody else. So if you've got yourself a nice big carrot, you can make a simulated Shindig massage tool. And the only tool you really need is this. And so let's make one, and at the same time we're going to make some food. We'll put the slices in there. So just take your carrot and start whittling yourself a nice blade. And you want it to be as aggressive as you need it to be. And you'll just have to play with this if you don't have any experience with using one, but you can see what I'm doing. I'm creating, an edge. This side is fatter than the other side, so I'm going to whittle it down some so that it's more even. And as soon as I'm done here, let's put all this. I want to break it up a little bit. Let's see, let's chop it up first. We'll throw all that in there, and then we're going to add some apple cider vinegar and mix it up. And yeah, that's starting to look like a usable massage tool. I'm just going to create one edge on this.
Or take too long. Okay.
It's just about there. I'm kind of a perfectionist, as you know. But it's just a freaking carrot, for God's sake. Let's cut the end off of it.
Okay. Perfect it so that it's got a nice roundish front edge on it. Blade. Nice and uniform. Okay. Alright. Baby, we shall do it tonight. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go try it out. Okay.
You don't have to put oil on it because it's like wet. You can't bend it too far because it's not very strong, but it's not bad. Yeah.
I think my skin is turning orange.
So, I guess is that a benefit? So there you go. That's how you make a carrot massage tool. I don't know how long it'll last. You could put it back in the fridge. But if you want a really good massage tool,
get yourself a Shindig. Put a little oil on there. Just a little dab will do ya. A little dab will do ya. I think that was a commercial for shaving cream.
Oh yeah, now that really works. Yeah. And these get so tight and sore. And you can use that edge, you can use that edge, or that edge. Or a combination of a flat plus an edge. You get it just the way you want it. And then they feel so much better. And while you're at it, put some oil on your calves. And use your hands. Got a little too much oil. To massage your calves. So thanks for joining me, everybody. Links to all my products are in the description box down below. Have a great day.